Hi, welcome back to our channel New Look. We all use toothpaste at home for our teeth, but you'll be surprised to know these amazing beauty hacks for solving your skin problems like pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, etc. using the toothpaste. For all these hacks, you can use any kind of toothpaste, but it should be white in color and flavorless. Toothpaste is one of the basic ingredients that we have used in our everyday life. The primary use of the toothpaste is for cleaning our teeth, but did you know that toothpaste can be used for a lot more beauty purposes? Yes, I'm telling is what about right. This common domestic remedy for several beauty issues. This toothpaste will solve all the beauty issues ranging from your lips, face, hair, etc. Now I'm going to tell how the toothpaste is used for your complete beauty care. Before going to the remedies, keep in mind that the toothpaste should be used in all the remedies is supposed to be a white one. Although you find several types of toothpaste in the market these days, white toothpaste works the best for the beauty purposes, but it should be flavorless also. Now let's get started. Here I am using the Colgate toothpaste, which is white in color. You can see here, this is white in color. And the first hack with the toothpaste is you just remove all your nail paint from your nail and take a little amount of toothpaste and apply it on your fingernails. I already done it and applied nail paint. You can try this hack. You don't have to spend a lot of time on manicure and pedicure to shine these nails anymore. Just take a little amount of toothpaste and apply this on your nails and let it be for 5 minutes, and you can rinse off with normal water. Now the second hack is for your lips. Use a little amount of toothpaste on your lips. This toothpaste will exfoliate your lips. It removes all the dead skin from your lips. Don't use too much of toothpaste, but a little will make your lips feel cool. It also helps to remove dead skin cells and also make your lips shine and smooth. Now the third hack, this is very useful for your face. It also removes your pimples, acne from your face. Just take a cotton, make it as a ball like this. Now take the toothpaste, add a little amount on this cotton ball and apply this toothpaste on the affected area like pimples, wherever you have dark marks or else the scars you have. Just apply this paste. See here, I'm having the black dot. I'm applying here. Wait for a couple of minutes and then wash with the cold water. This will suitable for every skin type. If it irritates your skin, just apply some moisture to your face. Yes, so these are the hacks with the toothpaste. You people also try these hacks. It will really work as I'm using regularly. This is my personal opinion, and do try these hacks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.